Let's understand the routine of a working woman. This especially for A1, A2 exams, which is the part of oral paper. Let's see the first sentence. Here we will be going for some very common sentences which will be useful in the orals. I wake up
Je me réveille
at 6:45.
à 6h45.
I wake up
Je me réveille
at 6:45.
à 6h45.
You need to understand that this is
6h45.
and it is spoken like that in French. So if you want to say it is 6:45, it may be a bit complicated. Rather than that, if you say 7, it may be easy. I wake up at 7.
Je me réveille à 7.
Okay. Let's go ahead for the next one. I get up
Je me lève
and
et
take a quick shower.
je prends à douche rapide.
I get up
Je me lève
and
et
take a quick shower.
je prends à douche rapide.
I get up and take a quick shower.
Je me lève et je prends à douche rapide.
I get dressed
Je m'habille
to go to work.
pour aller au travail.
I get dressed
Je m'habille
to go to work.
pour aller au travail.
I get dressed to go to work.
Je m'habille pour aller au travail.
I have
Je prends
a light breakfast
un petit déjeuner
with coffee.
avec du café.
I have,
Je prends
hereby I have means I take. I take. I have
Je prends
a light breakfast
un petit déjeuner
with coffee.
avec du café.
I have a light breakfast with coffee.
Je prends un petit déjeuner avec du café.
I check
Je vérifie
my emails
mes emails
before leaving.
avant de partir.
I check
Je vérifie
my emails
mes emails
before leaving.
avant de partir.
I check my emails before leaving.
Je vérifie mes emails avant de partir.
If you have not subscribed, subscribe now for more such videos. I leave
Je quitte
the house
la maison
at 8.
à 8 heures.
I leave
Je quitte
the house
la maison
at 8.
à 8 heures.
I leave the house at 8.
Je quitte la maison à 8 heures.
I take.
Je prends.
You can note this word then, friends. This is again coming for the second time. That means I take
Je prends
the subway
le métro
to go the office.
pour aller au bureau.
I take
Je prends
the subway
le métro
to go to the office.
pour aller au bureau.
I take the subway to go to the office.
Je prends le métro pour aller au bureau.
I start
Je commence
Walking
Atavelu
at 9.
Anafa.
I start
Je commence
walking
Atavelu
at 9.
Anafa.
I start walking at 9.
Je commence Atavelu Anafa.
I start walking at 9.
Je commence Atavelu Anafa.
I take
Je prends
a break
a pause
at 10:30
à 10h30
for a coffee.
pour un café.
I take
Je prends
a break
a pause
at 10:30
à 10h30
for a coffee.
pour un café.
I take a break at 10:30 for a coffee.
Je prends a pause à 10h30 pour un café.
I continue
Je continue
walking
à Tavelu
until 12:30.
jusqu'à 12h30.
I continue
Je continue
walking
à Tavelu
until 12:30.
jusqu'à 12h30.
I continue walking until 12:30.
Je continue à Tavelu jusqu'à 12h30.
I eat
Je mange
at the
à la
company's cafeteria.
cantine de l'entreprise.
I eat
Je mange
at the
à la
company's cafeteria.
cantine de l'entreprise.
I eat at the company's cafeteria.
Je mange à la cantine de l'entreprise.
In the afternoon,
L'après-midi,
I participate
je participe
in work meetings.
à des réunions de travail.
In the afternoon,
L'après-midi,
I participate
je participe
in work meetings.
à des réunions de travail.
In the afternoon, I participate in work meetings.
L'après-midi, je participe à des réunions de travail.
I respond
Je réponds
to emails
à des emails
in the afternoon.
pendant l'après-midi.
I respond
Je réponds
to emails
à des emails
in the afternoon.
pendant l'après-midi.
I respond to emails in the afternoon.
Je réponds à des emails pendant l'après-midi.
I take
Je prends
another break
un autre pause
at 3.
à 15h.
I take
Je prends
another break
un autre pause
at 3.
à 15h.
I take another break at 3.
Je prends un autre pause à 15h.
I finish
Je termine
my work day
ma journée de travail
at 6.
à 18h.
I finish
Je termine
my work day
ma journée de travail
at 6.
Adizwi tha.
I finish my work day at 6.
Yuthumine majani duthave adizwi tha.
I return
Juhantu
home
shezmwa
at 7.
adizni fa.
I return
Juhantu
home
shezmwa
at 7.
adizna fa.
Friends, please note that whenever evening time is coming, the numbers will be more than 12. Here they are following the 24 hours format. So you have to write and speak accordingly. I return home at 7.
Juhantu shezmwa adizna fa.
I
You
do sports
fah duspa
in the evening.
luswa.
I do sports
You fah duspa
in the evening.
luswa.
I do sports in the evening.
You fah duspa luswa.
I have
You pan
a light dinner
adine lije
at 8.
awa ah.
I have,
You pan
again friends, take care that here they are talking about I take.
you pan
A light dinner
adine lije
at 8.
awa ah.
I have a light dinner at 8.
You pan adine lije awa ah.
I read
You li
a book
aliva
before
awa
going to bed.
the mukushe.
I read a book
You li aliva
before going to bed.
awa the mukushe.
I read a book before going to bed.
You li aliva awa the mukushe.
I go to bed
You mukushe
at 10.
a vandu a.
I go to bed
You mukushe
at 10.
a vandu a.
Thanks for watching friends. Subscribe now.